Okay, so today I just received the new GMC floor mats for my 2016 Sierra. These are the factory all-weather floor mats, pre-molded for the truck. I believe this is going to be for 2014 to at least 2018. These are the, like I say, these are the factory ones. Got the GMC symbol riveted to the mat itself. We'll get the calipers out here in a minute, and we're going to measure the thickness of these. So far, they appear to be very heavy duty. They do cover the entire back seat area. This portion here go up underneath the back seat. And I'll show you what I've got in it now and how much more coverage we're going to get out of these. Now take a look at the way this goes up on the transmission tunnel, and we'll compare that to what I've got now. You can see how that's all pre-molded to the floor. And before we go over to the truck, take a look at how big the rear ones are. Okay. So here's the rear on the truck. I mean, they work as long as your feet stay right there. I need to vacuum it out whenever I pull these out. But so that's the back. That's the rear compared to that one. Actually, I guess this one is for that side there. So there's the factory GMC. There's what was in it. I'm not sure what brand these were. I can't remember what brand that is. But let's take a look at the front drivers. Already pre-snapped it out of there. It's got the little snaps right there. And this one, whatever brand these are, I can't remember what brand these were. That's the factory. That's what I'm replacing it. So let me get the calipers, and we're going to see how thick these factory GMC ones are. Okay. Got the calipers. Let's find us a spot here. Okay, so right here looks good. These look to be about 148 thousandths, right there on the edge. Got plenty of non-skid dimpling to prevent it from sliding around. Of course, this one, of course, got the snaps, so it's not going to slide around anyway. But the passenger side doesn't have the snaps, but of course it's got the same type of dimpling and ridging to prevent sliding around. Now these are pretty thick, pre-molded, nice pliable rubber. So I am going to finish getting the other two out of the other side, and then I'm going to vacuum it out. I mean, these just cover just where the feet are supposed to go. So I'm going to vacuum this truck out, and then we're going to put them in and see how they fit. Now, this has got the aftermarket. Well, it's not aftermarket. This is actually a factory little tub that goes under the back seats when the back seat's folded down. And I'm hoping, since this is factory, that it's going that those floor mats are going to fit in there okay. We're going to find out. But first I want to get this vacuumed out. So I'm going to vacuum it out and then I'll come back. Okay. Truck's vacuumed. So why don't we start with this driver's front. See how it's going to fit in there. We'll scoot the seat back. Looks like it fits like it's supposed to. It's got a little corner right here sticking up, but I think once it heats up, these have been in a box. So once it warms up a couple times, I'm sure that's probably just going to lay right down, no problem. But that'll help keep this scuff plate right here, this plastic scuff plate, in a little bit better shape. Snapped right in, goes up. Be nice if it kind of went and covered this part up, because you can kind of see where the side of my foot, I guess, rests up against that carpet. But I don't know. That's probably about the best it's going to get. Goes up there quite a ways, so that should help protect the carpet as much as possible. And you can see where, I mean, it comes right up to pretty much the seat rail. If you're curious about how far up under the seat it goes. So that's the driver's. And like I say, I'm pretty sure that as it warms up, this little curl right here will set down. If not, I'm sure I could probably hit that with a heat gun and uncurl that. You can even see it's got a little, you see this little ridge right here? It's even, I don't know if you can see that, but it's even got the pre-molded little spot right there for that. I mean, amazing how they actually mold these to the vehicles. We'll go ahead and get the passenger front. The rear is probably going to be a little bit of a challenge one-handed, because I've got to get it up underneath the that tray. Little storage tray. Move the seat back. There we go. Perfect. I like that it says GMC. This has pretty much got the same deal, but I think over time the heat will make that sit down. But you can see how tight to the carpet right here that it fits. I mean, it just fits like a glove, which is what you would expect for the factory, the factory floor mats. So yeah, I like that. Okay, let's go after the rear. And you can see where the rears, they tie together right here. So that's kind of nice. Okay, so we'll do this. We're going to do the driver's rear first. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this one-handed or not. Because you can see where this has got this little deal right here. And I believe that is so if you do have this factory, this was an option. You could pay to get this option, and it bolts down. I don't know if you see that, but it bolts in, so it doesn't go anywhere. So hopefully I can finagle this thing up underneath there, okay? Okay, I'm going to have both hands for this, but you can see right now, what I'm doing is I'm trying to lift up on this pan and slide this underneath it, and it's kind of tough one-handed, so I'm going to shut the phone off, lift up on this with one hand, and slide that underneath where it belongs. Okay, got it in. I had to take a bunch of stuff out so I could lift this up real far. I don't know if you can tell, but it actually comes, I mean, it literally comes up all the way to the back. So it covers a huge portion of the underneath the back seat. If you don't have one of these, this ridge right here, I think is what it's for, not only so that this, you know, fits around it like that, but if you have stuff thrown underneath the back seat, it helps hold it in whenever you hit the brakes and stuff. You know, you're not going to have a bunch of stuff rolling out in the front of your, or out from underneath the back seat, because that ridge is in there to help, you know, contain stuff. So the only thing that I see right now, I mean, it's fit in here just perfect. But right here, same deal with kind of the front. I think over time, as the heat warms that up, it's going to want to sit flat, just like that. But you see how far up underneath the front seat it goes. I mean, even wrapped around the outside right here. I mean, so pretty much anywhere someone's feet are going to be, this has pretty much got the back protected. So, like I say, that's going to lay down with heat over time. So, let's get this one put in. Okay, same deal. I'm going to have to just lift up on it and use my other hand to snake it underneath there. So let me get that done. Okay, got this side in. This side is already laying down real nice right there. You can see how nice and tight it fits, how far up underneath the seat it goes. It locks together right there real nice. I mean, it fits like a glove, just like it should. So these are the factory GMC floor mats. Of course, these same floor mats would fit a Silverado. The only problem is that it's going to say GMC right here. And of course, you know that they make some for a Silverado. I don't know if they're going to say Chevrolet, Chevy, Silverado, or what right there, but I'm sure it'll say something other than GMC. Got a wool blanket. I keep my seats folded up, and I like to keep something over everything I keep right here. That way if people look in the window, they can't see what all I've got. And this comes in handy if you do have to work on your vehicle on the side of the road or something. You can take this wool blanket and throw it down, sit on it, lay on it, whatever you need to do. So, and like I say, this right here, I have no doubt that as it warms up, it's going to start. You know, I'm sure all of it will you know, self-mold itself even closer to the contours of the floor. Real nice tight fit. That might even go up underneath. Yeah. So anyway, I just want to kind of show off the factory GMC all-weather floor mats. That's about all I got. You guys have a good day.